How to install your EMtouch electronic deadbolt lock set. To install your lock set, you will need the installation and programming guide, safety glasses, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Installing the strike plate. Fasten the strike plate to the prep door jamb using the supplied wood screws. Installing the latch. Orient the latch so the crosshairs are on the bottom. Insert the latch into your prep door, then fasten it using the supplied wood screws. Removing the screws from the inside trim plate. Before removing the screws, make sure the thumb turn is in the locked position. Remove the two screws and detach the inside trim plate from the inside chassis. Installing the outside trim plate assembly. Feed the wire harness through the bore hole and fit the shaft through the latch as you position the outside trim plate assembly. Installing the inside chassis. Ensure that the hole for the shaft is in the vertical position before installing. Orient the chassis so the marker top is in the correct position. Feed the wire harness through the chassis and slide the flat shaft through the hole. Then, fasten the chassis with the two supplied machine screws. Be sure to check the alignment before fully tightening. Connect the wire harness. Tuck the wires into the plastic housing. Connect the 9-volt battery. Installing the outside trim plate. Programming and user codes are located inside the trim plate, as well as page 11 of the installation guide. Then place the trim plate over the chassis and fasten with two machine screws. Your lock is now ready to use.